Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video and a view into Huck's World. And today we got some freebies for you to check out on the home page in the Gear Manager app. So make sure you go check that out right after the video. It's probably going to be for a limited time offer, so hurry up on down there. All right, with that being said, this watch face is nice, right? Now the name of it is called JMO Digital White Lake. Now it's pretty much a daytime watch face, right? And always on mode, you're pretty much going to get a digital time. You'll be able to see a time at a glance with no problem. At the top, you got the month and the date, right? Like maybe, just maybe it's my watch. So let me know if you had the same issue on your Galaxy Watch, your Gear S3, Gear S2, or your Gear Sport. And then you get, of course, the day of the week, and you got animated seconds. And right here, I like the way this digital time is sitting in the water. I thought that was the slickest look. So developer, if you're watching, check this out. I don't know if it's my watch or not, but at the bottom, you will get your step info, heart rate, and you get your battery percentage. I thought this was a good look. Now, one thing I would have liked to have seen out of this watch face is a night mode. It's only a day mode, but the night mode would have made this night nice for when nightfall hit. All right, you all, let's go on. Let's check out watch face number two. Now, number two is nice as well. It's called JMO Digital Flip Black. I'm telling you, this one looks nice. I like this one, big, bold numbers. And always on mode, you're pretty much going to get a nice digital look. Now, this one here, just maybe, people, just maybe, this is my night mode watch face. I think it looks pretty slick. So you get JMO at the top. You also get miles walked around. You're going to get animated seconds right in the middle. And you also get your heart rate information again. I do like this big, bold digital time. Looks nice. And you also get your month and your date and your day in big, bold letters. I'm liking that text. And you go down and you got your step info, calories burned, and of course your battery percentage. So I thought this was a nice look. For a digital watch face, I thought the guy got down on it. It's not interactive or anything like that, but still, to be free, I think it's super slick. Check it out. Watch face number three. Now, number three is called Weather Big Number, Big Hour. Very nice looking watch face. Very simple, but yet nice. Now, in always on mode, you're pretty much going to get the same exact look as if the watch face was on. Now, once it's on, I do like the fact that it tells you what area you're in. So if I'm traveling, I'm going out of state, it will let me know where I'm at. I don't have to look up on my phone to find out what area I'm in. I like that. It does have a weather icon, which I thought was pretty cool. You do get your date, and you get a nice big bold digital time with the day of the week and also your date and your month. So I thought this was a good look. It does have a battery percentage down at the bottom. I like the battery icon look too as well. So this is a nice casual everyday work week watch face. It's free for the taking in the Gear Manager store while it lasts. All right, you all, let's check out watch face number four. Watch face number four, people. Now, I know a lot of you all like your jeans. This watch face is going to tie right into that attire. Very nice. Now, the name of the watch face is called Blue Jean SMB. This one here is different, very unique. This looks like a jeans pocket right there, right? I like the watch face. It's got stitching going around. The seconds right there. And it's an analog watch face, right? And always on mode, you're still going to get an analog look, which it really looks good in the AOD mode. Not bad at all. But when the watch face is on, yes, you get blue jean right here. I like the color that they blended in with that. Kind of favors the blue jean theme and all. So if you're wearing your jeans for the day, you got a free watch face to tie into that, people. Check this one out. Matter of fact, hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know who all are going to download this watch face. Last but not least, people, watch face number five. Number five is nice, right? It's decent, simple, but yet it's nice. So the name of the watch face is called Old Clock Animated. I like it because if I'm going out, I'm dressing down or I'm dressing super casual, and I just might get away with this dressing up. I might get away with it. Now, you get an analog time, which is nice. You get a traditional second hand that's ticking around the bezel of the watch. And I do like this layout for your day and your date. I like that. Looks really good. And the animation is right here. You can see the little wheel turning, and not bad. It's not a bad look for a simple watch face that is free in the Gear Manager store. All right, you all, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then make sure you subscribe to the channel. And as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.